Y'all just had to pop in here and let y'all know I got bad news. I just talked to my wife's nurse. She says she's not looking good. She's going to have the doctor to call me. I just hung up from talking to the doctor. He said it's not looking good. He's moving her to the ICU. He's going to incubate her. I told him to please be honest with me. I'm not going to lose my wife, and he said he don't know. It's not looking good. He said she could very well pass. Y'all, please pray hard. I can't lose my wife. I won't be here for a couple of days. I got a video scheduled to come out tomorrow morning, but it's already done. Just know I'm not here. I'll be back as soon as I can. I love you all.